Hi, have you ever felt something was going to go wrong before it happened, or someone was going to call you before your phone rang? Or did you walk into a room and instantly feel uncomfortable without knowing why? Let me ask you something simple. What if that was not your imagination? What if that was your intuition? Most people ignore these moments. Some people suppress them, but some people will live with them every day and don't even realize it. In this video, I'm going to share 10 easy signs that you're more intuitive than most people in a simple, grounded, and real world way. No drama, no fantasy language, no confusion. Just clear signs that you can recognize in your real life. So, what are the 10 signs that your intuition is working for you? The first one is that you could feel things before they happen. Has that ever happened to you? Wherein you sense something is about to go wrong and later it does go wrong? Not because you guessed it, because you felt it? 2. You know when somebody is lying. You just know it in your gut. You may not have proof about it, but your body feels tight, uneasy, or uncomfortable around certain people. 3. You absorb the mood of people in rooms and also in crowded places. You can walk into a space and instantly feel heavy, calm, tense, or safe, even when no one says anything. 4. You get sudden thoughts that turn out to be true. You could think of someone and they might call you. You feel pulled to message someone and they might need your help. 5. You feel drained around certain people. There are these vampire energies who do not let you do anything, especially when you meet somebody specific. Not because they are bad people, but because your system feels overwhelmed by their energy. 6. You struggle to explain what you know sometimes. You just know things, but cannot explain how you know them. And by the way, that's absolutely fine if you're an intuitive person. That's actually a gift. 7. You trust your gut more than your logic. Even when logic says yes, your body says no. And later you realize why. 8. Loud places, chaos, and noise can overwhelm you, my friend. Your nervous system get overstimulated very easily. 9. You can feel deeply connected to nature. Plants, animals, trees, and quiet spaces can calm your nervous system. 10. You've been told that you're too sensitive. But your sensitivity is actually your intuition and your awareness. It's not your weakness. And it's not just you. I have received so many signs that I am intuitive as well. And personally, I call myself as an intuitive medium. When I go to cafes or any other crowded places, my intuition can pick up on others' emotions, feelings, energy, and thoughts. I can get a sense of what the room feels like and how the people in it are feeling as well. My intuition can also tell me which table could be the most beneficial for me. Similarly, many other people can be intuitive and can sense others' emotions, thoughts, feelings when they are in crowded places and rooms. And it's not just you or me who can do this or who can be intuitive. Let's talk about some famous people like Oprah Winfrey, who talks about her intuitive gifts openly. Oprah says that every good decision she has made in her life has come from listening to her inner voice. When she was 30, her inner voice told her to leave her safe job in Baltimore and move to Chicago. Everyone told her not to go. Her family, her bosses, her friends, all of them said it was a bad idea. Only her best friend supported her. But Oprah trusted what she felt inside herself and moved anyway. When she got to Chicago, people told her to take a normal salary on her TV show. They said owning part of the show was too risky. They warned her it could fail. But again, she listened to her inner voice. It told her to believe in herself. So she took the risk. That decision led to the creation of the Oprah Winfrey Show. So, Oprah says every important decision in her life came from listening to her intuition or her inner voice. Isn't that beautiful? Doesn't that tell us that a lot of us are intuitive and we can really make our lives a huge form of celebration for ourselves if we just listen to it? Also, who am I? right? My name is Dr. Pranita Rao. I am an energy worker, healer, artist, and a coach for sensitive and highly sensitive people. I create content on the topic of sensitive people, highly sensitive people, and spirituality. As healing tools, I use art, angelic healing, Reiki, energy healing, and help others develop their intuition and psychic gifts through one-on-one coaching sessions. If you're interested in exploring more, you can book an appointment with me through the link in the description of this video. Or you can also visit my websites and learn more about my work and then book an appointment with me. The links for them are also in the description. The choice is yours. However, it is always best to call on support for our gifts sooner than later. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day and bye. And also, stay intuitive. Bye.